Hey, what's going on? Friday wrap-up time. Thanks for taking a couple minutes to watch this video. So here's the 10-year Treasury 469 for some reference. Last week we're at 473, 474. We've come down a little bit, but more importantly, this was at 393 the day before we started bombing Iran into February. So we got a long ways to go to get back down to where rates were flirting with 5.9 like they were into February. So this is the week that we've just had. If you're new to this chart, the higher it goes, higher these candlesticks go, the lower the rate. So Monday to Tuesday was a big jump. We got an inflation report that showed a little bit of cooling. Some markets reacted favorably. Now, of course, we've given it all back. And today, as I'm recording this, the Fed chairman, Kevin Warsh, is giving a press conference. So the Federal Reserve and all the directors were in Jackson Hole for a retreat. He's giving a press conference. And at the beginning of his comments, he had mentioned that he had a little bit of a he was a little bit worried about the inflation trend. So that freaked out the market. We gave a lot of it away. He must have said a couple of things because it's all pulled back up higher. So and we just dropped. So the investors are just being emotional based on what he's saying, and that's driving the market. Bottom line is the rates are the rates are the rates, as you know. We've got great internal products for the self-employed buyer, the musician, the business owner, the entrepreneur. We all know they make good money. They just don't show it. These products were built specifically for those buyers to get them qualified. They've been told no probably by another lender in the past, so they've given up. But there are ways to get them qualified. Additionally, in the same department that we have here across country, we call it buy now, sell later. Basically, you got listings that are sitting, but a motivated seller. Let's give them a bridge loan or a HELOC, pull the cash out, go buy the next house. We can basically ignore the liability of the departing residents to keep them qualified. A lot of people can't qualify with multiple mortgage payments. This product allows us to ignore it and get them qualified on the next purchase. So if you want to know more about either one of those little nuggets in our guidelines, let me know. As usual, I'll be around if you got questions. If you need a quick pre-approval this weekend, I'm here. See ya.